Hi, I'm Ava. Welcome back to Korean Ladder, where we climb one polite rung at a time.
안녕하세요. 저는 하나예요. In English, hi, I'm Hana, and today we practice humble offers of help.
안녕하세요. 준호입니다. Today we learn 도와드릴게요 and 들어드릴게요. 자, 시작할게요.
Okay, real question. If I see an older person with heavy bags, can I just say, 도와줄게, like I'll help you?
마음은 좋아요. The heart is right, but 도와줄게 is casual. With an elder, teacher, guest, or stranger, it can sound too free.
When you help someone above you or someone you do not know well, Korean often lowers the speaker. That is where 드릴게요 comes in.
오늘의 패턴은 dash, 드릴게요. In English, it means I'll do this for you with a humble and polite feeling.
드리다 is the humble form of 주다, to give. So dash 드릴게요 is not just I'll do it. It is I'll do it for you.
So 제가 할게요 is I'll do it, but 해드릴게요 is I'll do it for you, more like a favor.
맞아요. First keeper phrase. 제가 도와드릴게요. In English, I'll help you. 도와드리다 is the humble way to say help someone.
Say it again with me in mind. 제가 도와드릴게요. 제 is humble. I. And 도와드릴게요. Promises the help.
두 번째 예문이에요. 가방 들어드릴게요. In English, I'll carry the bag for you. 들다 means to lift or carry.
Notice the space. 들어 드릴게요. The verb 들어 plus 드릴게요. In English, carry for you.
세 번째 예문이에요. 제가 설명해 드릴게요. In English, I'll explain it for you. Useful with a teacher, guest, or older coworker.
So the shape is verb plus. 드릴게요. 도와, 들어, 설명해, then 드릴게요.
Right. If the verb ends in a or o feeling, you often get 드릴게요. Many helpful verbs use 드릴게요. Like 들어 드릴게요.
왜 중요하냐면요. In English, this pattern protects the relationship. You sound helpful without sounding bossy or too casual.
If I say, 내가 들어줄게, to my grandmother, it might feel too buddy-buddy.
Exactly. With a grandmother, neighbor, hotel guest, or senior at work, 들어드릴게요. Lands softer and safer.
이제 대화로 들어볼게요. Let's hear a real moment at a building entrance.
어르신, 가방이 무거워 보이네요.
제가 들어드릴게요.
감사합니다.
That felt kind, not stiff. 제가 들어드릴게요 is an offer, not a lecture.
One more short dialogue. At a front desk, Hana offers to print something. 말고 지도 하나 출력할 수 있을까요?
네, 제가 출력해 드릴게요.
고맙습니다.
따라 해볼게요. Repeat after me. 드릴게요. Keep the soft, then real, then 게요.
드릴게요.
좋아요. Now the full help phrase. 제가 도와드릴게요.
제가 도와드릴게요.
완벽해요. One more. 들어드릴게요. Keep a tiny space feeling between 들어 and 드릴게요.
들어드릴게요.
좋아요. Clear and natural.
Catch time. I almost said 도와줄게 to my teacher's guest. Is that the classic trap?
네, 줄게요 is fine with a close friend. With an elder or guest, change 줄게요 to 드릴게요.
So, 도와줄게 becomes 도와드릴게요. 들어줄게 becomes 들어드릴게요. Same action, different respect.
Got it. Not because 줄게요 is rude every time. Because the listener changes the word.
퀴즈 하나 할게요. An older neighbor is holding heavy shopping bags. Which offer sounds humble and natural?
I'm picking B. 들어드릴게요. A feels too casual, and C asks them to decide like a friend.
Answer is B. 들어드릴게요. A uses casual, 내가, and 줄게. C sounds like asking a buddy. B offers the help humbly.
좋아요. 핵심만 정리할게요. Let's lock the takeaways.
첫 번째, dash. 드릴게요는 겸손한 제안이에요. In English, it means I'll do this for you.
두 번째, 드리다는 주다의 낮춤말입니다. In English, 드리다 lowers you when you give help.
세 번째, 어르신이나 손님에게는 줄게요 대신 드릴게요를 쓰세요. In English, swap 줄게요 for 드릴게요.
네 번째, 오늘은 제가 도와드릴게요, 들어드릴게요만 기억하세요. In English, keep just those two ready sentences.
Keep your sentence for me. 제가 도와드릴게요. Next time bags look heavy, I know what to say.
네, and if it is a bag, 들어드릴게요. Same humble promise, clear action.
오늘은 여기까지예요. Remember this one sentence. 제가 도와드릴게요. See you on the next rung.
Thanks, Hannah. Thanks, Juno. This is Korean Ladder. Climb kind, climb humble, and we'll see you next time.